And so Mark is going to lead a panel talking about flexibility and what that looks like for organizations today with these two gentlemen on stage. So I'm going to let Mark run with the intros.
Thank you, my friend.
Do you have slides, or you guys?
Oh, no, I think
there's
there's
slides.
We have pretty pictures.
Just a gallery. Perfect.
So I'm Mark. Hi, everybody. To my immediate left is Scott Hazard, and Scott is the global head of real estate for Atlassian. If you're not a user of Atlassian, you should be, a hyper-growth company. We'll let Scott talk about their amazing solution, but Sydney-based company, Scott's based here in San Francisco, leads their global real estate activities. To his left is Robert Teed, the global head of real estate and workplace for ServiceNow, another hyper-growth company. It's truly staggering to see companies at $3+ billion in revenue still growing at 40+% year over year. And for all of the workplace practitioners in the room, you can think about the challenges that comes with that. Guys, let me just ask you to both just quickly expand on that crude introduction I made for both of you, and then we'll jump into the conversation. Go ahead, Scott.
It was a lovely introduction. So at Atlassian, we have 13 offices in 7 countries. We've got, for a company our size, about 4,900 employees, including contractors, a relatively dispersed portfolio based on where our different product tools are developed. We've got a suite of products that also create dispersion around where our folks are located and where we're growing. And we're also very heavily into M&A and inorganic growth, which is a lot of what relates to the flexible office needs in our world, and where that intersects with where we're investing in the permanent culture and office locations. If we are growing beyond 13 or thinking around how those evolve into whatever the surprises are in both our organic and inorganic growth, which are both unpredictable.
Robert?
So should I turn my Cognito app on now?
Yep, indeed. I'll raise the empathy flag.
That's right.
You're being a bit too abrupt with everybody.
So Robert Teed, I'm the VP of Real Estate and Workplace at ServiceNow. And at ServiceNow, we're in the business of creating intelligent workflows. And so what we like to do is take a very manual process that exists across all of our enterprises and digitize them.